Hello and welcome to the Lowry Locate device tracking demonstration. Today we'll show you how the solution saves on device replacement costs and boosts employee productivity by transforming your existing mobile computers and scanners into a powerful connected device infrastructure. Imagine a scenario where a mobile computer is misplaced in a warehouse, far from any Wi-Fi hotspots. A store manager or employee can easily mark this item as lost. Now anyone who has been opted in to help with locating lost devices will get a notification when they are within the Bluetooth range of about 50 feet. If they choose to, they can send an alert to the lost device and have it emit a sound so that it's easy to find. Once the device is recovered, the person can mark it as found and return it to its owner. Let's look at another example. Say a mobile computer is lost somewhere in a large store. Instead of wandering aimlessly searching for it, the store manager can use the Lowry Locate app on her device to mark the misplaced mobile computer as lost. Using the proximity view feature within the app, she can see that the lost computer was last detected near the Lowry Locate enabled Wi-Fi anchor point in the lunchroom. The manager then walks over to the lunchroom and her device shows a notification that the lost computer is nearby. By using the alert feature, she makes the lost computer sound an alarm and quickly finds it behind a stack of paper. She then marks the device as found. Considering that 10 to 20% of mobile computers and scanners are lost annually, using Lowry Locate can significantly boost employee productivity and improve your bottom line. If you'd like to learn more about how Lowry can help you with your device tracking needs, call us toll-free at 1-833-660-5017 or visit us at lowrysolutions.com.